Hey, it's Aaron. I made almost $3 million with affiliate marketing, and these are the 4 biggest mistakes that beginner affiliate marketers always make when they first try to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so make sure you watch this video all the way through, especially if you've tried any sort of affiliate marketing or you want to build a successful business online selling digital products. Okay, number 1, most beginner affiliate marketers think that they can make money with affiliate marketing with zero investment. Okay, you can't. Think about this, right? Affiliate marketing is just like any business. It doesn't matter if you're starting a restaurant, a bar, a consultancy, a supermarket, or anything online. As long as it's considered a real business, you're going to have to invest a little bit of money. We're not talking about millions of dollars like a McDonald's or Starbucks franchise, but you do need to invest in your basic tools, okay? So if you want to be a professional, proper affiliate marketer, whether you're making $1,000 a month or you're making $50,000 a month, the setup is the same, right? You need a funnel builder, you need an email managing software, and you need a tracking tool. Plus, you need to invest a little bit of money in the course so that you can learn to do it, all right? So if you are not willing to invest in a step-by-step program, then you'll never learn how to be successful at it, okay? So if you're in a position right now where, you can't even rub 2 pennies together, then you're not ready for business. That's okay, right? Go back to your full-time job, work hard, get a 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th job if you have to, save up money, stop spending money on your credit cards, stop buying stupid shit, right? Live below your means. That's what I did for a long time. Save up a little pool of capital. You don't need that much, a few $100s, a couple of $1,000s, right? It's always good to have a little bit of a budget if you're serious about starting a business, okay? And then start, all right? That's all you need to do. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is the tools, they're not that expensive. They'll cost you about $200 a month to run a potentially multiple 5-figure per month business. So that's mistake number 1. Most beginner affiliates think that you can start it for free, for zero, because there are a lot of people that are talking about it to try and market to you, but you can't really start it for free. You can't start any business for free, all right? Let's be real. Let's be serious. We're all adults here. Do this properly. The second big mistake that a lot of beginner affiliates make is they think that you just need to send a whole bunch of people to the affiliate links and then they buy, right? Now, this is called spamming, okay? Now, this doesn't work, okay? If you're trying to spam your affiliate links to people, why would they ever buy from you? They don't know who you are. You send them straight to a sales page, and all the sales page talks about is selling, 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 right? So people love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. So it's important that you understand that you've got to build a little funnel around, or what we call a wrapper around the actual affiliate offer to add value. You have to be able to get people to know, like, and trust you, okay? These are the 3 most important things. Get to know, like, and trust you, and then you recommend them an affiliate program that will help to solve their biggest problems, and that's when purchases are made. They're not going to buy just because you send them to the same sales page 100 times, right? If they didn't buy it the first 10 times, they're not going to buy it the next 20 or 30 times. They have to trust you. They have to get to know, like, and trust you properly, and you do that by adding value, by learning a little bit about the product, the industry, the problem that you're trying to help solve, and all you need to do is add value. Literally create videos that train them, educate people, and give them value so that they feel like they are learning something and they're moving forward in the process and they're getting closer towards solving their problem, okay? And if you can do that, you're going to build enough trust to help people to solve their problem, and that's when they're going to buy from you. The third mistake that a lot of beginners make is they quit too quickly, right? They think that affiliate marketing is one of those things where you can do it for a couple of days and you're going to make thousands of dollars, right? Because that's what a lot of these dodgy marketers online say, right? And look, affiliate marketing is just like any business. It takes time to grow, right? Realistically, 6 to 12 months minimum. Do you think you can get to 10K in 1 week? I mean, that is fucking crazy, right? Even if it is online, right? And even though you can scale pretty quickly once you know what you're doing, the initial part takes time because you don't know what you're doing and you're an absolute beginner, right? So, it's just kind of like when a rocket takes off, okay? 80 to 90% of the energy and force is used to get the rocket to lift off the platform. Once it lifts off the platform and it gets into orbit, then it only requires 10% of energy to continue sending it up, right? And that's the same for any business, right? Especially affiliate marketing. 80 to 90% of your time is going to take you to get your first sale, all right? You need to understand the strategy. You have to set up, you have to build the funnel, you have to get the traffic, you have to be consistent, okay? And it might sound like a lot of work, but if you compare affiliate marketing to a lot of other businesses out there, like Amazon FBA, drop shipping, TikTok shop, starting an AI agency, right? Affiliate marketing is actually the most simple and basic and least complex business model compared to all of those other business models. Those are really, really hard. And a lot of them are really, really expensive. Affiliate marketing is actually considered very, very cheap for any business, to be honest, right? So make sure you're willing to do this for at least 6 to 12 months minimum. If not, I would say 2, 3, 4, 5 years. For me, it took me 8 years consistently to break through. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to take you 8 years, because I started a long time ago, and back then there was a lot of very, very bad information. Nowadays, there's a little bit of, better information out there, right? And you can access good information. So if you follow the right mentor and you're willing to not be cheap and you get the right program, you follow the right mentor, you can actually do this a lot more quickly, right? But for me, it took a long time, and yet I still did it, right? And it changed my life. Even though it took me 8 years to finally get into profit and then start making, at that time, $20,000 a month, I still didn't quit, okay? So most people, most beginners, they'll do it and then they'll quit within their first week or the first, couple of weeks because they can't generate any leads. Hey, sometimes it takes a few weeks, a few months to hone the skill in before you start driving leads and making sales. But the longer you do it, the more consistent you are, the better you get at it, and that's how you start getting results. Make sure you understand that this game requires you to hold your breath a little bit longer. Be patient. This is real business. It can really change your life. But if you think that it's a push button, instant result kind of thing, then don't even bother starting affiliate marketing because you will never succeed at it. Hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're here for, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And the fourth mistake that beginners make with affiliate marketing is they think that they can just watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos and learn how to do it. You can't, okay? You really need to be willing to follow a mentor, get a course, and learn step by step. That's the only way that you're really going to learn it properly, because here's the problem, right? There are so many affiliate marketers in the world, and there's so many people creating YouTube videos. So one person's going to say one thing, another person's going to say another thing, another person's going to say another thing, and you're just going to get confused, right? There are many, many ways to do affiliate marketing, all right? There are many bad ways also to do affiliate marketing. And you have to understand that these YouTubers, they're not going to give you their full strategy from A to Z. Why would they? It doesn't really make sense. Why would they teach you how to build a multiple 5-figure business for free on a free YouTube video? It doesn't make sense, right? So they're going to drop you little tips here and there. Okay, and some of these tips might be good, some of them might be bad, some of them might be confusing, some of them might be conflicting. And so when you try it, you don't have the full 360-degree picture, which you need. Plus, you need the step-by-step as well, all right? Don't just watch YouTube videos. Don't get me wrong, some YouTube videos and some creators can be great, but you have to know who you're following, and you have to be willing to understand that at some point, you're going to have to follow just one person and go through their program properly. Actually invest in their course, in their program. Whether it's $100, $500, $1,000, $5,000, you decide, what you want to do, but follow somebody and be willing to follow it step by step. That's how you get the super nitty-gritty detail to understand how to build it out, all right? And that's what's required. I mean, think about it. This is a marketing business. So there are some technical skills that you're going to have to learn. You're going to have to learn some sales. You're going to have to learn some marketing. You're going to have to learn to do some videos. You're going to have to build out some funnels, right? All of this is a little bit technical, not super technical. We're not talking about coding a website or anything like that, but it's still marketing psychology that you're going to have to learn. And I think it's one of those things that anybody can learn. It's not super difficult, but it's not super easy either, okay? So don't just watch YouTube videos. Be willing to get into a program, put your money where your mouth is, get some skin in the game, and learn how to do this properly, all right? So these are the big 4 mistakes. If you can master these 4, all right? So make sure that you're not cheap on your way to success. Make sure you don't send your traffic straight to the sales page link only. Make sure you build value around that affiliate offer, right? Create a wrapper. Make sure you don't quit too quickly. Make sure that you do this for at least 6 to 12 months minimum, okay? And make sure you don't just watch YouTube videos. Actually get into a program. If you can do these 4 things, then you're gonna do really, really well, and you're gonna make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, all right? Now, if you're like, Aaron, this stuff is all great, is there any way that, I can learn how to do this step by step with you? Well, I've got a free masterclass. It's actually a 2-hour free masterclass that you can check out. Thousands of people have gone through it. I think that you will really benefit from it. If you're serious about making affiliate marketing a full-time thing, whether you want to earn $1,000 a month or $30,000 a month, I'm going to show you how to do that, all right? It's in the comment section below, and you can access it right there for free. See you there.